Hey, what's up guys, it's Ayan here from the Tech Info House, back with another video. So today guys, we are gonna unbox a power brick from Ambrain, which I bought from Flipkart during the Great Indian Day sale for just around 199 rupees. Now the price quoted in this box is a whooping 899, but I can assure you guys, during the non-sale time you can get this around 300 to 400 bucks, so you didn't have to worry about the price quoted here guys, and I'll provide the Best Buy links in the description down below. Now talking about this product guys, I have heard a lot of good things about this product, and what's unique about this is that unlike our standard chargers which can charge only one device at a time, it can charge two devices at a time. So anyways guys, let's now talk about the box a bit. As you can see, it's written made in India, then India's leading mobile accessory brand, so that's a good thing. Anyways, other than that, there are certain informations here, you can just see it. And let's now cut the seals open and look inside what we get other than just the power brick. Okay, let's not just do this. Okay, we are all done. Now we gotta cut the seal. Bam, the seal is cut. Now let's open it. So yep, here's the box. As you can see guys, we get the charger over here, and as you can see guys, it has a dual output, as you can see, and the output is 5 volt 2.1 amp guys. They consider it to be as a rapid charger or fast charger, as like mentioned on the back. Let me just show you. As you can see, fast charger, but honestly speaking guys, it's not exactly a fast charger, but it is considerably a standard charger, a good charger for your device, and you charging your phone in 5 volts 2.1 amp, and both the ports supporting the same 5 volts and 2.1 amp is a good thing. And as you can see here, the ratings are provided over here. Anyways, let's now concentrate on what else do we get on the box. So we also get a cable, that's a good thing, and the cable quality seems to be really good, so that's a good thing that they have included a really good cable. I'm quite happy with the quality cable that they have provided. Anyways, other than that, what else do we get? Let's see. Okay, we get a leaflet. It talks about earphones there. Okay, so this is basically the different products that Ambrain offers us. So yeah, that's it. So anyways guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this charger for a few days, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you my feedback about how it works, whether it's a good buy or not, and if in case it's a good buy, I'll provide the direct link in the description down below for you guys to buy it. Anyways, so I'll be coming back once I have tested it properly. So guys, as I mentioned earlier that I'm gonna check it out how well this Ambrain power brick works. So for this test guys, I'm using two devices. One is Redmi 4A, which has approximately a 3100 mAh battery, and Redmi Note 3, which has approximately a 4000 mAh battery. Now at present, as you can see, the Redmi 4A has 16% of juice, whereas the Redmi Note 3 has 13% of juice. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug both the devices with this charger and see how much time does it take to fully charge these devices. Now one thing is to note, one important thing to note is that I'm using similar cables to charge the devices, so there is no difference whatsoever. There might be some difference in the way the Redmi 4A charge or the Redmi Note 3 charge, but I have been using both the devices for a long time now, so I have a general idea of whether it's taking a similar time to charge both the devices or not. So I'm gonna be back once I kind of the device totally charges. So let me just try to plug in this. Okay, the phone is moving, my hand is moving, I'm not using a tripod. Okay, here is it. So as you can see guys, both the devices have started charging. Okay, so here's the notification light over here and here, and as you can see. So guys, as I said, I'll be back once the charging is complete, and be back with the complete stats. And as you can see guys, the current time is 12:59 in both the devices, roughly 1 p.m. So yeah. So guys, it's 3:20 now, as you can see, and both the devices are now 90 plus charged. As you can see, it's in 99, and this one, the Redmi Note 3, is on 94. So I can tell that guys, both the devices did charge normally. Usually phones like this take 2.5 hours to charge, and if you consider the charging time from 1 to 3:30, but it's just 3:20, so by 3:30 both the phones will be totally charged. So I can conclude that the charger is working fine guys, and I'm quite happy with the way it's working. Honestly, I had my doubts about this charger because it was considerably light, and I cannot just trust a third-party charger that easily. But there's no sign of overheating guys. I have been using this for 2 hours, 2.5 hours now, and both the phones seems to be in a normal temperature, no signs of overheating whatsoever, so that's a good thing. So I'll definitely recommend you guys to buy this guys, and I'll provide a direct link in the description down below. So that's all for today guys. If in case you liked this video, you liked my effort, do comment down below and express your thoughts, what I can do to improve my videos and whatsoever you want to tell. And anyways guys, do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's Soin from the Tech Info signing off. Peace.